Welcome to the week 13 homework assignment video, and this video is going to show you what the homework assignment should look like. Okay, so starting with the homework assignment that we have here, you have your home page. I'm going to start off with the register, the login, and the fetch screens. Again, this is similar to what you saw in the lesson 27 video. You're just going to be reproducing and handing that in. So first, I'll start with the register. So if you look here, the register, I have some nice formatting and I have it all centered here. And these are the different things that you need to enter. So we're going to start with your email address. So I'm just going to put example.com and the password. Okay, we're going to do that. One thing we're also going to do is, let's say we mistyped the password. I was going to show you what you should do there. In here, you're going to put city, state, zip code. You're going to have a checkbox here to subscribe to newsletter, put your interests, and then gender. Okay, so one thing that's going to happen if when you hit register, you're also going to be able to highlight. So let's say we hit register here. And what's going to happen here is here we have this message says passwords do not match because second password did not match. So you're going to have the ability to throw out an error message. And I'm going to fix this so that it matches the password now. And now I'm going to hit register again. And what happens is it's automatically going to log you in. So you notice the register and the log out and the login page disappeared. And now you have a logout page. And now if you want to log out, you're just going to be able to click log out. And it logs you out. We can log in again. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. And this is the login page. And here we just put the same email address we entered in the register page, and then the same password. I'm going to hit login. All right, so that's going to log us in again. Okay, so now we can just have to log in. We don't have to keep registering. Just log in once, and then because we're already registered. Next thing you're going to do is you're also going to go ahead and use the one thing I did want to show you on the login page. So let's say we put the wrong password in and hit login. And then you see that's an invalid username or password, and it was actually a password there. So let me go ahead and log in again. We're logged in. Log out button appears now. And that's that functionality. So the functionality you need to basically code is the register, the login, and the logout functionality. So next thing we want to do is you want to click on the fetch to show you what to do there. And what that's going to do is you're going to call the API, the Star Wars API, and this one's going to be the vehicles API. And then you're going to list all the vehicles that are returned by the API. And again, showed you an example of that in the lesson 27 video. So you can use that as a reference, except we did people instead of vehicles. So here you're going to do vehicles instead. So the code should be very similar, other than the actual API endpoint that you're sent. Okay, and I think that does it for today's video. Hope this helps. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And until next time, thank you and goodbye.